Okay, I just wanted to fill you in on a few things. You may have already had your launch party or started your launch party with your upline or me, but I want you to know that there are tons of templates out there for your launch party and for your nail bars. So I'm going to drop you a link right here and you can search through these templates and decide what's best for you. If your stylist, your upline is already hosting your launch party for you, congratulations. You can sit back, have fun, engage with your customers, make sure you're engaging, commenting, building those relationships right away so that they really understand this is your business, okay? It's very, very important. I also encourage you to look through and find some posts that you can post and let your upline know, hey, I want to learn how to schedule these, all that great stuff. So down below is going to be a Google Doc. I'm going to put my template for launch parties. I'm going to put my template for which my launch parties and my nail bars are basically the same. Instead of saying, hey, congratulations, such and such has started her new business, it will say, hey, let's celebrate such and such is having a nail bar, okay? Same thing, you just change it up for whatever you are doing at the moment on that party, okay? All my templates are basically the same. I use my face, I change it out for the seasons. So start gathering information, pictures of yourself so that you can post your face because they want your face to be on your business, okay? So the next thing is we have the BAM parties, we have the team knockout, we have dream team. All of these are uplines and resources for you and your nail bars and your launch parties, okay? So there are tons and tons and tons of these. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. I just want you to look through, see what feels more like you, what feels more like your personality, and be able to use these in your future parties. So if your upline is hosting your launch party for you, I really encourage you to start getting some images ready right now so that she can help you book nail bars in your launch party and you can get started in the next day, in the next 2 days, because she already has the template going for you, posting and scheduled out, okay? Make sure that automation is part of your business. Scheduling on Facebook is super easy. You go, you post in a group. Remember, in a group is the only way we can post. In your group, you're going to type out your post, put your pictures in there, and then there's a little thing that says schedule. You just click on it, you put the date and the time, and save. And there you go. Your post is ready to go. So I hope this helps. I hope the party templates help. I hope you are super excited about your new business because I know I am super excited for you. I love when we have new teammates joining us, and I am so blessed to be your leader, your upline, and part of your support system. So thanks so much, and I will chat soon.